What's going on, everybody? This is Phil from Millennium Money Gains, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we are going to go over 3 stocks that I think are a buy right now based on technical analysis. Now remember, these plays are a little bit more risky than the fundamental plays that I do go over on this channel, but I think these 3 plays are set to poise in the short term, and I think we will do great on those. So if you guys are interested, I will be setting something up in which you can get these plays as soon as I realize them, as soon as I take the plays themselves, rather than waiting till they get onto YouTube. But before that comes out, I will keep you guys updated every week on how that is going and the progress with that. It will be completely free, and I will keep you guys updated with that. But with that being said, if you guys are hyped for this video, please make sure you smash that like button. For the YouTube algorithm, it does help out the channel, and I do appreciate it very much. Also, if you want to join the family, hit that subscribe button down below. Turn your post notifications on, that way you get notified every time I do post a video. I post a video at least 2 times per week, and sometimes I'll throw in an extra video each week. That being said, let's get started. Alright guys, so our first play here is Inovio. Ticker symbol is INO. Now, this is the daily chart here, and we are seeing some nice accumulation. It got a high of $8.99 today and a low of $8.69. Now, I do have a small position here, which I actually trimmed. I bought in a week ago or so, and then trimmed it and bought some more shares today. So my average cost is $8.88 right now, and it's currently sitting at $8.92 after hours. So we had some nice consolidation during the day here. Now let's go to the 5-day chart. On the 5-day chart, you can see it looks like we have a little bit of a cup and handle here, sitting right about here. We got that little cup, and we got that handle forming, which could mean a potential breakout there. So I'm liking that 5-day chart. Moving to the 1-month chart, you can see a bigger picture of the cup and handle. This is why I took the position in the first place, because you have that nice cup and handle right here. As you can see, the rounding out bottom, and then the handle is forming right now on this. So we are looking for a potential breakout on this play. So my first price target for this play will be about $9.50, and then it could really go all the way up. I'm looking for it to go up to about $11, and I will really probably take all my profits by then. So not a huge trade for me, just a small position, small starter position. I'm going to let this one ride. I will keep a stop loss below, right at $7.91. That will be my stop loss on this one. But we're still looking pretty good. Been holding this one for a couple of days, and we'll continue to hold until it breaks out. The next one I want to go over is Workhorse. So that is ticker symbol WKHS. So as you can see here on the 1-day chart, at a high of 1647 before the market opened, a low of 1517, and it finished at 1559 for the day. As you can see here, we got not much movement throughout the day. It started right after opening, it did drop a bit, but then it kind of was just consolidating throughout the rest of the day. Going to the 5-day chart here. As you can see, we got a pretty decent size gap up, and I'm looking at this nice trend line here on the, let's draw that for you guys. 5-day chart there, looking pretty decent. And we're right at the bottom of it. So we're looking for a little bit of a breakout tomorrow. Hopefully we will get that. So I am holding a couple of calls in this position. Workhorse does have a high short interest rate, at about, I think it's at 40% last time I checked according to FinViz. I'll throw it up on the screen here. But if this one breaks out, this one can really break out. Now moving on to the 1 month chart here. As you can see, was forming a little bit of a bull flag there. Let's go to a better chart. Okay, so looking at that 6 month chart here, as you can see, we do have this decently sized bull flag here. Sorry about my messy drawing, but you can see there a little bit of a bull flag, and like I said, this one can break out, and if it does, we can look all the way into the $20 range, all the way up to probably $25 range. You can see a little bit of accumulation down at the bottom here, so we are really looking for this one to explode with that short interest rate. Now, the last one, but not least, is Context Logic. Ticker symbol is WISH. So, on the daily, you can see I had a low of $12.61 and a high of $14.89, which was after hours. Now, the reason I'm liking this one is because of this after hours move it had. As you can see, we have another bull flag formed, and there's been a lot of interest on this play recently because this one has been going up a bit. So as you can see, we got that bull flag formed. Let's go to the 5-day chart here. I like this consolidation right over here, all in this. This is all consolidation. I like that a lot. And then we got the pop. And now it looks like it is about to do the same thing. So I'm liking this one a lot here. Looking at the 6 month chart, it reached a high of 32.85. That was shortly after it IPO'd. And then had a low of 7.52. But I'm really liking this kind of rounded out bottom over here. And it looks like it is being well accumulated in this range right here. Look at that accumulation right there. So all that accumulation tells me that this one is getting ready for a higher move up. I'm really liking this play. And I own a couple of calls in this. I already had some calls which I sold out of because the play kind of died out for me. But now it's coming back. I'm liking the setup and I'm liking the accumulation. So I bought more calls on this one and we'll see how those play out. We'll see how long I'm going to hold them for. But for now, those are my top 3 plays that I am holding so far. I will keep you guys updated in my next video what happened with those plays. And that's really it. Alright, so I hope you all enjoyed that video on these 3 plays. Now remember, these are just technical analysis based, that I'm not going over what the company does. You guys should look at that, but I will not be going over that in this video. I know what these companies do. But you need to make sure you guys are doing your own due diligence when investing, because investing is not a gamble, but it is a risk, and you need to be aware of the money that you are putting in and making sure that you are really mitigating your risks as well as you can. But I appreciate you all for tuning in and spending a few minutes of your day with me. If you guys can, just make sure you smash that like button. I really do appreciate it. Also, remember to subscribe. So we are just getting rich on this channel, baby. That's just what we do. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.